For problem number 31, notice that we have yet again another multiple of an angle. So we have a double angle. So we're going to have to go 2 times around the unit circle for this one. But before we do that, let's decide, well, when we take the cosine of anything and we get -1, so cosine of anything equals -1, it means that the anything must be equal to pi, because the cosine of pi is equal to -1. But again, we're going to be going around the unit circle twice because of that double angle, so not only is the cosine of pi equal to -1, but if you go back around one more time, if you add 2 pi to that, you also get 3 pi. So again, double angle, we go 2 times around the unit circle, and again, whatever's inside the parentheses, which in this case is 2 theta minus pi over 2, is equal to both pi and also 3 pi. So let's set that up. We get 2 theta minus pi over 2 equals pi, and 2 theta minus pi over 2 equals 3 pi. So we're going to solve both of these equations for theta, and let's see what we get. So this one becomes 2 theta. So if we add pi over 2 to both sides, we get 2 theta equals, now pi plus pi over 2 would be 3 pi over 2. And then this equation becomes 2 theta by adding pi over 2 to both sides. We get 2 theta is equal to 3 pi plus pi over 2. So let's do that actually so we can see it a little bit better. So if we add pi over 2 to both sides, 3 pi plus pi over 2, that's 6 pi over 2 plus 1 pi over 2 gives us 7 pi over 2. And so therefore, from the first equation, when we divide both sides by 2, we get theta is equal to 3 pi over 4. And then when we divide the second equation by 2, both sides, we get theta is equal to 7 pi over 4. So those are the two solutions.